Hello YouTube. This is Reptilios. These are all my cockatiels. I have 6 of them currently. This right here is Stormy. Ew. He cannot fly. He had a wing injury. So, that's sad. Otherwise, he's happy. He's about 6 years old. He is my second cockatiel. That back there is Sunny. She's my first cockatiel. She is about probably over 10 years old. And I just changed their cage around a little bit. So this one right here is Iggy. He doesn't like to be held too often. So here's their water dish. That's Jesse's favorite swing. Little treat dish. Food bowl. I feed them Katie's Exact pellet diet. Hello. And this is the other cage I got from a friend. I think it was for ferrets intentionally. Sorry. Let's see, here's... Oh, look, she likes the camera. Okay. Well, let's see. Here is Dixie. Right here. She was given to me by my stepmom's friend. She couldn't no longer keep her. And this was given to a lady. Given to me from a lady. Her name's Jessie. She loves to be scratched. And this one back here is Zeke, and he has fallen in love with Dixie. He cannot go without her. And they really love their cages. You see, they're pretty big. Oh, and I got this from another lady. She had a ton of parrots. So I made a little toy on top. It's got a perch. And another toy they can chew on. And sometimes I put Melody up there and they can go get that. They don't use this round swing too often. Actually, probably not at all. See. Yeah, they don't use this at all. It's been in here for a while. This is probably the best millet toller ever. Just a little, oops, little dipper. Yeah. And let's see. Oh, here's an extra cage. Just extra. Have a poop off. Works great. As you can see, there used to be a ton of crap down here. And now there's not. Especially right here. Get them Nutriberries. There's some millet in there too. And I use this container for their food. That's what I used to give them years ago. You can kind of see the stuff. And I got Avian Plus. I don't know if you can see that. Put it on your food. It's a supplement. And then I have fruit and nuts, kiwi. Actually, no. Yeah, kiwi. Cuttlebone. Or junk. A little carrier back here. Haven't had to use that yet. I store all of their crap back here. and she wants to come see what I'm doing down here. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Where are you going? Oh, he can fly really good. He used to fly backwards because he was overweight. Now, she's probably the tiniest cockatiel I've ever had. They don't chew on this very often either. Although this one got completely destroyed. Yeah. If you have any more questions, just feel free to ask. Thanks.